Hello guys, hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can record your PC screen by Microsoft PowerPoint. First, open up PowerPoint. On top, click on Insert. Go to the right side and click on Screen Recording. Now select the area you want to record. And then click on Record. When your recording is done, click on Stop. Here you can play your video. And if you like to save this video, right click on it. Click on Save Media As. Type a name for your video. And then click on Save. If you like the video, share it to your friends and subscribe channel for more videos like this.